stars in your multitude, scarce to be counted, filling the darkness with order and light.
The stars are a special class of anti-spin moves in which fan makes only one turn during a cycle, so the pattern looks more like a star. Unlike in flowers, in stars we don't really spin fans, but we use a special technique to control the fans. It works like this. My hand is inside the ring and my thumb and other fingers hold the handle like this. And I do a series of turns and like grabs of the fan like this.
Ты отвел себе удобную роль наблюдателя в общем строю. Ты сидишь у экрана, ты ноль, и КПД твой равен нулю. Поднимай свою жирную жопу, тащи на выход килограммы свои, переступая через неохота.
Unlike in many other props, in fans you can do the stars as well as many other moves, in fact, starting from different orientation of the fan. Not only in wicks facing up, but for example, wicks facing down, you can do the same star. And this brings us to a very important concept in fans, which is called relations. The term relation, children, refers to the relationship between the fans at certain moment of the move, typically the first moment. For example, here's a star in O relation, or here's a star in X relation, or the star in S relation, or W relation, or even I relation. So let's do some exercises for the stars in different relations.
У меня есть рубашка в полоску, в моей голове звучит регги, но я никогда не воскрешу Курта Кобейна. Курта Кобейна.
The stars look especially cool if you combine them with isolations from the previous lesson. For example, with my right hand I will do the isolation of this week, and with my left hand I will do the S relation, like this. So together it would be this awesome hybrid. Or the same thing with X relation. Or you can combine the star with the extension. Extension is just a move like this. Okay? So I'm just like letting my fan go in the circle. So if I combine it with the star, I get this hybrid thing. So combining these stars with isolations and extensions, and keeping in mind that every pattern can be done in several different relations, you can basically generate almost infinite number of patterns in the wall plane. But don't forget about the wheel plane, because in the wheel plane you can also do the stars and do the same, and sometimes even more beautiful stars, like you can combine them with extension, with let's say isolation, or just do the star, you know. So subscribe, like, share, see you next time.